Hello everyone, welcome to Edulate YouTube channel. Dear students, today we are 10th class Social Science Part 2 in Geography chapter number 25, India Land Use Agriculture. Let's see the question and answer of this chapter. First, fill in the blanks with suitable words. In first question, utilizing the land for a variety of purposes is known as land use. Second, growing 2 3 crops on the same plot in a year is called multiple cropping. Third, farmers growing crops only to sustain themselves is called subsistence farming. Fourth, progress in the horticulture field is known as green revolution. Fifth, the state that is the largest producer of paddy in India is West Bengal. Sixth, the crops grown during summer are also known as shade crops farming. Second one, answer the following questions in brief. Seventh question, what are the factors that influence land use? Answer, factors include geography, climate, soil type, availability of water, technology, and human activities. Eighth question, what is agriculture? What are the types of agriculture? Answer, agriculture is the practice of cultivating soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. Types of include subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming. Ninth question, what is Kharif crop? Answer, Kharif crops are sown during the monsoon season, June to September, and harvested in autumn. For example, rice, rice, maize, and jawar. Tenth question, what is mean by Rabi crops? Answer, Rabi crops are sown in winter, October to December, and harvested in spring. For example, wheat, barley, and mustard. 11th question, what are the factors essential for growing cotton? Answer, factors includes warm climate with temperature between 21 to 30 degrees Celsius, light, well drained soil, black soil preferred, 6 to 8 months of frost free period, moderate rainfall. So, we have seen the questions in this lesson. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all.